Hey everybody, Bryce here. And in this video, we're going to be talking about, you guessed it, the most incredible software on the planet, and that is HighLevel. And in this video, we're going to be going over what I think is one of the most important and underrated functions inside of HighLevel, and that is tags. And tags are a way that are going to allow you to stay organized in your business and make sure that it runs exactly how you want it and make sure that it runs like a well-oiled machine. And I can't stress enough how important tags are, yet how overlooked they are, because I know when I first got going with HighLevel, I didn't really pay a whole lot of attention to tags just because there's so many other things to learn when you're getting going with HighLevel, and tags just didn't seem like they were that important, but they really are the key to staying organized in your business. And as you grow, they're going to allow you to know what customers have already done, where you need to send customers next, and really just stay organized with every aspect of your business. So in the beginning, you can kind of get away with not using tags, but it's really going to hurt you later on if you don't learn how to use them from the beginning. So that's why I'm creating this video. This is really an introduction to tags. I am going to make a video that shows you exactly how I use tags in my business and how I use them to automate my business and stay organized with every aspect of my business, but that is not this video. This video is just showing you what tags are, where you can find them, how you can use them for beginner level purposes. And then in the next video that I make on tags, it's going to be how to use them to automate your business, how to add them and remove them through automation, and how to use workflow triggers with tags. But again, that's not this video. For this video, we're just getting an introduction to tags. So let's get into it. And we're going to start here in the contacts tab of HighLevel. And you're going to be able to see immediately over here on the right, I've got tags. And you can see that this demo contact that I have doesn't have any tags, but the contact I created for myself does have a tag called new lead. And with this, if you don't see what I'm looking at right here, you just want to make sure that you go into columns and make sure that you have tags clicked on. If you don't have it clicked on, you're not going to see anything. So just go into columns, click on tags, and now it's, of course, at the bottom. So you may have to scroll down, click tags, and this columns feature just allows you to see what you want inside of the contacts at first glance. So we can now see tags, and if we click into the contact, we're going to be able to see which tags they have as well. So we scroll down, and under actions, we've got tags here, and we can add tags if we want. So these are some tags that I've already created. So I could add these to the contact. And if there's no tags, like I've got with this, then we're just going to scroll down here, and under tags, it's not going to have any tags. But if we wanted to, we could add any of these tags that I've created. And if you want to create a new tag, then you could do new tag and click that, and it's going to create a new tag. And so that's how you create a tag. And another way to create a tag a little quicker is to just click on the contact that you want, and then you can either add tag here or remove tag here. So if I wanted to remove that new tag, then I would just go up here, do tags, new tag, and then action, remove tag. And as soon as I do that, it should disappear right here. And there it goes. So that's just removing and adding tags to contacts. And I know that this seems pretty simple right now, but as you grow your business and as you automate these things, tags are really going to be essential for staying organized and automating and knowing who's gone through what workflows and who's in what stage of your sales process. And it just gives you a snapshot look at where someone is, courses they've already bought, products they've already bought, and then you know, okay, they've bought product A, I want to sell them product B, so I'm going to put them into this workflow. Or you can see they're already in this workflow. All of that is possible with tags, But if you don't use tags, then you're just going to have a list of contacts that doesn't have any tags associated with it, and you're not going to really know where they are just at a quick view. You're going to have to click into the contact, see what workflows they're a part of, and it just gets very disorganized very quickly. So tags, in my opinion, are one of the most essential things to really scaling your business and staying organized as you do so. And so now that we've seen where tags are and how to add them manually, how to remove them manually, and sort of what function they play, you can also come in here, and obviously right now I've just got 2 contacts, so this isn't a big deal at all. But as I grow my list of contacts, I'm going to be able to want to sort through those contacts quickly. So if I have people coming in through multiple funnels, let's say I've got Facebook ads running and I want to automatically tag someone as a Facebook lead when they come through my Facebook ads. And then I've also got funnels running, and I've got my YouTube pointing in a direction that takes them through a different funnel. I can set up workflows here in the automation tab, which we will touch on in this video, but we'll really dig into in the next video on tags. But I can set up workflows to automatically tag customers depending on which funnel they came in through, so that I can see which one of my funnels are performing well, where most of my traffic is coming through. And it just allows me to see what's working so that I can double down on what's working. And then if I need to, I can put more effort into what's not working, or I can just cut that off and focus on what is working. So tags really give me that snapshot view of how's my business doing, what's working, where do I want to put my effort. And you can search for, and you can filter through your contacts as you get more contacts with tags. So if I come over here to more filters, then I can do tags, and I can either do is not empty, or is, and then I can choose the tag. So if I wanted to sort by tag is new lead and then apply it, then only the contacts that have the new lead tag will show up. And if I want to send a promotional email to people that came in through a certain funnel or through my Facebook ads, then I would just filter for people that came in through my Facebook ads. And then I would have all of my contacts populated here that have my Facebook ads tag on there. And then I could select all of them and then send an email to all of those contacts with that tag. But if I don't use tags, then none of this is possible. So I hope you're seeing how valuable tags are and how they can really be used inside your business. And they just allow you to stay organized, and there's so many functionalities when you use tags properly. So this is essentially the way to use tags and do everything manually. There is another way that tags are incredibly powerful through automation, and I'm not going to touch on this too much just because, again, I said this is a beginner video, but I'm at least going to show you with this how tags can be used. So if you're not familiar with workflows and automation at all, don't worry about it. I know this is a beginner video, and I do teach everything that I'm going over here. I've got multiple courses on this. I teach you, if you become my affiliate, how to do all of this. But I know I said this is a beginner video, so if this is the end of the road for you, go ahead and turn the video off, no problem. But I'm really just going to touch on this quickly. And so you can set up a workflow based on contact tags. So you can start an entire automatic process, which is a workflow, with a contact tag. So if someone gets a new contact tag, whether it's in a different workflow that you have set up that gives them a contact tag automatically, or if you manually add a contact tag to someone, then you can start this entire workflow. And so you would just come in here, select the tag. So tag added, select tag, and whichever one, let's say they purchased a product, and we'd save that. So now once they have that tag added to their name, which again, I would have other automations set up that once they actually purchase the product, it would add that tag. But then once that tag is added, then we could automatically send them an email or automatically send them a text message, or do any of these. Send them a direct message on Facebook, send them an Instagram DM, send them a Google My Business message. All of these different options are available as soon as that contact tag is added to that contact. And so this is how you start a workflow with a contact tag, but you can also, let's say that they filled out a Facebook form. So we're going to change this to Facebook lead form submitted. And then we would come in here and select the Facebook form. I don't have any set up with this demo account, but let's just say Facebook lead form is submitted, and we can add a tag. So we're going to add a contact tag and say Facebook lead. And so we type that out, click add new tag, and then this doesn't change the function of this, but it helps me stay organized. I just put Facebook lead here. And so now I know that as soon as someone fills out a Facebook form, then it adds a tag automatically that says Facebook lead. And so I would publish this and save this, and I would name this add tag Facebook lead. And then as soon as someone comes in through a Facebook form, it would automatically add a contact tag to the contact that it creates. So it would create their contact, it would add their name, their phone, their email, all the information that we're collecting from them on that Facebook form. And then it would add a tag here that said Facebook lead. And then if we wanted to, we could create a new workflow, start from scratch. And when someone has a contact tag added, that is, so tag added, Facebook lead, then it would start this workflow that says send them a Facebook Messenger message, and we can type out, hey, thanks for filling out the form on Facebook, etc., etc. So you can see the power of this, and I wouldn't necessarily have those as two separate things. I'd probably put all those in one workflow, but I just want to show you the power of using tags in your business to stay organized and set up these automatic processes so that your business runs like a machine. And again, this is just the tip of the iceberg. This is an introduction to tags. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can use wait functions inside of automation and check for when the tag is added. And if it's not added, go on a different route. I'm getting ahead of myself. All that's going to be in the next video. That's going to be the advanced video on tags. This is just an introduction to tags. So I hope this video helped clear up any confusion around tags that you may have had, as well as show you just how important tags are, especially down the line. They don't seem that important. At least I didn't think that they were that important when I first got going, but they turned out to be incredibly important for every aspect of business and staying organized and automating my business. So learn tags early, use them, implement them with all your automations. If you have to, implement them manually at first, but then understand how to implement them with workflows so that all of this happens automatically. So I hope this video helped, and I will see you in the next video.